Okay, with this line that I have here, I'm going to select it with the selection tool in the top left of the tool palette, and I'm going to drag it up so I get the space that I want between lines and have it touching that diagonal line. Put it into place. Now, when I do that, I want to hold down the Alt key because the Alt key is duplicating the line. Okay, and then release it. So before you start moving the line, and then hold down the Alt key. If you click the Alt key at the same time, it won't duplicate. Okay, so then once you've done that, it's somehow recorded that spacing. So then you just do Control D and it will repeat the line upwards. Now, yes, that crosses over. We will worry about that later. We're going to leave that all on that layer and then we'll make a new layer just so that we can start to turn them on and off and separate things. So new layer. And now we'll do this with the dots over here. We'll lock this layer 2, and we'll work on layer 3. So now I'm going to use again the line segment tool, and I'm going to join it pretty much on the same point. So, but I have to take it up to the top of the page up here. So it fits within the format that we want for the Instagram ad background. Okay, so now we're going to do some circles. So click on here. You might have the rectangle tool showing up. So just click and hold down and then select the ellipse tool. Now you can do an ellipse by just clicking like that and dragging, but we want to have a perfect circle. So to do that, just hold down the Shift key. So again, it enlarges or reduces in scale and proportion. Now this has an outline, but we want a black fill and a white outline. So we'll do this little arrow here to switch it around. And now with circles, if you try to select them and they're too small, it wants to enlarge or reduce it. So you do need to zoom in when you're doing things like circles.